Okay guys, so I'm here once again and I'm looking for smaller trees. I found this here. I'll have to turn it around to tell you what it is exactly. But this grows really long and it doesn't grow very tall. Hang on, let me have a look. Okay, so height and spread is still 5 feet. I love the texture of it. I think I'm getting this. Let's keep looking. Right, my battery is dying out. Look at this. I gotta see the size of this. I would want one of those. All right, so I'm getting this one, the Pymus Panmillo, whatever that is. I'm getting this little dwarf here. Oh, that's picky. I'll give you the names, complete names and all that when I get home. And I have this beautiful one here. So I'm thinking these three together. I actually would like some more yellows, but so it'll be different heights. But okay, I'm still thinking. So guys, I found some red hydrangeas. They're right here. So this is what I'm gonna put in the front. The red ones. I got 3 of them, so. All right guys, I'm anxious to get home because I'm gonna show you all the fun stuff I got there, so. Let's get home. All right, so in the back, got 2 others. In the back here. Oh, Jace. What did you see, Jace? Go get him. Go get him. I want to show you, so I have 3 trees planted. 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. Those are my, remember the crabapple trees that I had planted? Well, I had only done 2 in that last video, but there's a 3rd one that I planted right here. Okay, so today what I'm doing here, I'm starting this part of the project here in the backyard. This is where we're going to start. I'm going to plant these 2, and as you see, I placed some string around here, which is an approx of what it would look like, because what I want to do, and by the way, I may change my mind in the future. We never know. But for now, what I'm thinking is I want to come right back here, and over here, between these 2 trees, they'll be high enough. I want to have some sort of bench feature here. For sure, behind me here, I want to also create a type of soundproof wall, because I was thinking to myself, why would I bother putting a seated bench here to sit down and relax when all I hear is this? So I'm thinking if I put a wall behind that bench, it will help for sound. And hopefully by then, this town, they will have put up that wall that they've been promising. But yeah, it's pretty loud back there. So I'm gonna show you once again what the backyard looks like right now. Hang on. Just gonna tour this quick. So these are the trees I was talking about, the 3 ones that are planted. These are going in, and of course this is where I want to put that seating area. I would have a path and a seating area here. Now back here, where you see this string, I measured where the tree, would come about up to here. The branches would come out, but it's going to be tall, so we can walk underneath the tree. I'm not sure what I'm going to do back here, but something's going to happen back there. So I'm not going to even continue explaining what I'm going to do over here, because I don't know yet. All I know is this and this will connect to going that way. So this is where we're starting. We're starting with this. So I'm going to get to work. And of course, I'm going to use the little fast forward feature so you don't have to watch me shovel the whole thing. So here we go. So you might see Jace walking around. He's my little planting buddy back here, so he's going to be walking around. And yes, I am wearing my husband's flip-flops. So he'd probably tell me, you're supposed to be wearing some boots and whatnot. But that's how I am, that's who I am. So I'm fine. I just want to make one last measurement, be sure that I did this properly. They said That's 4 feet. Anywhere between 3 and 4 feet. That seems fine. So I'm gonna start with this one here. All right, enough blabbering. Let's get to work. You know what? I decided to get my Crocs. Those other shoes are just way too soft. These are a lot better. Yeah, so I dug in deeper than what it needed because I wanted to add some good soil to it. Well, first I want to see, this is fine. That seems fine. Let's have a look. That seems fine. That's fine. It's better a little higher than deeper, right? So I'm gonna lay it down. Is that recording? Yes, it is. Okay. I always have to check to see if I'm recording. This should come out pretty easy. Watch me have trouble. Again, I'm not trying to prove that I'm this amazing gardener. I'm not. I'm just learning. I'm just learning about the craft. And yeah, I'm learning a lot. So I'm gonna be adding some Mike. I call it Mick, but it's Mike, I guess. In French, it's mycorrhize, so I just say it in French. So I'm gonna add some of this to the bottom. This really helps with the roots to swell up and take their water easier. I was told to rub some all over the root ball. It's all falling there. All right, there you go. Ugh. Okay, got you in there. Ugh. Now I just gotta see if it's straight, and I don't think so. All right, one done. Well, here we go. Take one last measurement. I know I did a while ago, but I just want to be sure. So, you know how they say, measure twice, cut once? Pull this in maybe a little more. 4 feet would be right there. Let's see this. This is supposed to be 2 feet from there. A good 2 feet. That's good enough. All right there. Give it a little space around it. I think my other trees, I didn't give it this much space around the root ball, which I probably should have, but I think it's fine, it'll be fine just the same. I planted 120, they went all around here, 120 cedars, little cedars to make a cedar hedge. And we had huge trees back here that just choked them out. They didn't have any sun at all. There were these huge maple trees. They were up in the electric lines. It was making sparks. It was pretty scary. So I think I can take this little one out now. Okay, hon, let's go. Move. Step away. Okay, let's fast forward. See how deep that is? That's really deep. All right, so I'm gonna open a bag of this here. Just these bags are so heavy. Oh boy. All right, stand it up. By the end of this project, whew, let's see what this says here. That seems pretty good, actually. Took me a while to open it, but look how root bound it is. I hope it's going to be okay. I don't know if this is normal, but it seems pretty tight. Let's continue and see what we can do about that. Oh. So I'm going to add a little bit of this here. Just a little higher. I love gardening, but it's such hard work, and I don't mind the hard work. I really don't. I may mention it all the time. It's such hard work. So much hard work. Oof. Right, I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. All planted. Hang on. Flip. They are planted. They're looking mighty beautiful. All right, so of course, I'm going to need to cut the grass out from around that. And the same thing here, like I have a little dirt over the grass, but I'm gonna have to come make 2 little circles around it so that I don't get any weeds growing on inside. I don't want it to be tougher. Like if grass starts growing on right underneath it and I want to pull the grass out, I don't want to hurt the roots. So now I got to clean up this mess. So this is it. This is the start. This is a good start. I think I'm pretty good with the trees in this area. The rest is going to be the whole thing. There's going to be plants in there. It's going to be a garden, guys. All of this is going to be all cut out. And we're going to be planting perennials in there this year, of course. I'm just starting this project this year, so I want to actually work all summer, if I can, the best I can. I want to work on the garden back here and finish in front. I want to completely finish in front, where my goal for the front is that this year that I have beautiful grass, that I have my stones laid in, the pathway, I'm sorry, there's so many bugs. And just completely finished. That the flower beds are nicely cut, that I can add in my lights and in my chairs. And I just want it completely finished this summer. So that next year, when next year comes around, all I'll have to do is do the mulch, do the edges, and then everything just wakes up, right? But back here, I have a long ways to go. And it's going to be a good few years for sure. I want to thank you for watching and tell me what you think. Is it coming along? Is it coming along? I'm happy you're here. Thank you. Bye.